So yes, babes, we don't eat, you know. And Miss Davis eat after dinner. So how was the dinner, Miss Davis?
It was good.
Very good.
Sorry, I couldn't have more. I don't eat a lot. Although I'm fat, I don't eat a lot.
Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh, oh. And the best part is that you're still so.
So yes, peeps, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. It's a man, Holy Fire 777 again. Yeah, you know, it's a Sunday evening. Yeah, the rain was falling, but then the rain stopped. And actually we have a clear evening. Yeah. Look good at the door, don't? Look good now? Yeah. And see my neighbor them over there, so. See my neighbor over there, so. See my subscriber over there, so. It's a Shendo?
This is Shayla talk like Big Van Door.
Yeah, he's cool. He's cool, he doesn't even party anymore. We teach him. Yeah. So today, peeps, we're in the kitchen and even now. I'm trying to cook up some fish. Let me see. My music is too loud now. Yeah. So I hear it over my voice. Yes. So I'm going to steam some fish. Yeah, so Mr. Brown done, so my time now. Yeah, so I'm going to steam some fish and some white rice. Some basmati rice, peeps. Yeah, for my subscriber. That's dinner. You know, a long time I get to cook for rice and peas. So hopefully make some cook some rice and peas soon. Because, I mean, trust me, I work every day, every Sunday. So I'm coming in today. I'm going to work so late today. Because the rain fall. Yeah. So let me say, this is my backyard. If you never seen my backyard before, this is my beautiful backyard. And my neighbor them lives on the stone over there. So, yeah. So this is how my backyard look. Yeah. This is how my backyard look. So now, I'm going to start up that. Turn it a little bit for me. Yeah? Turn it on a little bit, you know, because it's done. Yeah. So she over there start listening to Miss Donna, because she loves Miss Donna too. So now, I'm cleaning up the fish. Quick and fast. And get the thing ready. No itching, because, you know. So Ernell was in the kitchen also, so Ernell gone. Ernell cooking pork. So Ernell done cooking pork. Yeah, so Ernell done cooking pork, so I'm at time now. Because one thing with the kitchen, especially Sunday, a lot of people use it because they're Jamaican livers, you know. And Jamaican, they love cook. Yeah. Yes, here we go. We clean up the fish here quick and fast so we can steam it. So then we go buy the fish here. Then we get the bite of the sea side. So put down on the fisherman. So they did it quick and fast there. No itching on the fish today. So I need it quick and fast, as I say. So I got me some okra and some local fish. Some local pumpkin also. Good old pumpkin. Pumpkin more expensive if because a local. But I buy it same way. Thick and steer, I'm gonna wait. So that's the fish we have to clean up. And I'll cook rice now, so now rice cooker. So I'm gonna be quick. So less handwork for me to do. Cut off them here so I don't have to use. So I'm going to cut it myself and then season it. And fish here is not really my size fish. Not my size at all. Not my size, but work with it. Yeah. I should work with it on my size fish. One thing that fisherman here, you clean up the fish really good.
Eh?
So one thing that fisherman here, you clean up the fish good as in scale, less scale.
You ready to the pot?
Yeah. Then scale, the normal scale is good. I think I like the size still. I like bigger fish. Bigger fish, less bone to deal with. Big fish, less bone.
Bigger fish, less bone?
Yeah.
No, the same bone there have. Or bigger fish, more meat.
Yeah, I don't like little fish. I don't like fish books. I don't like little fish.
I'm going to treat somebody else and money, not more enough for.
Yeah. Finish this. So I got me some lime. And I want lime cut on the around for the fish. So I have to use my lime on my fish. After the lime, then ready to season it up. Down the natural seasons. Delicious, quick and fast.
She must go and wash.
Yeah.
And it fix them out. Conversando con una quella rossana, please.
She I work every day, man.
I'm good at telling the son of one thing. Some so much in our experience, you know.
So no, natural season time. I'm gonna natural season. Quick and fast this. So, tomato.
Why?
And I get those things. Yes, I get those. Sweet pepper. Sweet pepper. You know Olava? Eh? You know Olava?
Me?
Oh. Fish and beer? Fish and belly, that should say? Okay. Onion chips. Garlic. Sauce in my kitchen sauce. And people still on going to the kitchen. Yes, people know I should get a mic so I can hear it good. Working and getting a mic, a good mic. For the DJI mic and stuff. Working on that. Okra. Okra, your deer peeps. Big time. Still have some time to go. Time to get flavor. More garlic in it. Then yeah, man. Okay, small. Look for them young, and people them don't have to sell the same, Because of the time price. Okay, I'm ready to pick it. Look for them young peeps. Local produce, sell more and sell more expensive. too. Yep, see it there. That is it. Pretty. This pumpkin is very pretty. See how bright this is. Oh. That's all the natural season. That's all the natural season, so just know. This. Watch this now. Yes. That's how I season up my fish. This is my spur tree jerk season. I'll try Jamaican season again. No Jamaican I don't want it. I'm not use it. It's not Jamaican. Can I see you get to using it over there? Angela? Hello? So in Miss Danny, you may say?
Yeah.
So what kind of season get to use? You get
Florida?
You get Jamaican season?
Yeah, we have Jamaican Island,
Like
We
them,
have a little Jamaica place where you get everything Jamaica.
Oh, okay.
One little man himself, a little thing Jamaica, have a Jamaica restaurant.
Oh, I see. So we have a Jamaican store.
If you go down to Orlando, you can get everything Jamaica. You get big food, you know, when you have big food, it's
Yeah,
cheap.
yeah.
And all that stuff there.
So have to be careful with the tips. Cook them.
I have one place named Key Food. Them have the Jamaica aisle. Oh,
So yes, babe, stick and stay. Let me get this ready. So yes, babes. Ready to put in the fish then now. Let's see if I'm cook. Yeah. Show you up close, see there. And don't be fooled and add any more water to it or anything when you see it like that. Yeah, I might think so enough for now, but while the fish them steam fish is something that spring own water. Yeah. We're gonna stir on the fire underneath it. And that's it. You want simmer by itself. Yes. Yes, over here, so have some rice on the fire. You both on the fire. There on the rice cooker. So anyway, stick and stay. Kitchen busy. Busy. So yes, peeps. Meanwhile, food I go and cook at the kitchen. Busy, peeps. And I'm alone in there. And I know everybody more in my video. So yeah, kitchen busy. So I go and shoot some. Use the drone and show me what I go on. In a grand camera. Long time I don't fly drone. I don't fly drone for over a week now. Yeah, I think. So all the control battery almost there. Long time I don't fly the drone deep. So I'm showing you some drone footage. Let me give you some drone footage. Not enough satellite here, so you can see. I wait until you have at least 10 satellite. Yeah, I work off a satellite. Alright. So GNS signal week. And the other day I saw that come up and I don't really get that. So now it will take off. Now it will take off, peeps. Alright. So here we go now. Alright. So here we go now. Here we go. So I can fly, see me. Long time I don't fly. Alright. I'm telling you, look at my neighbor over there, so. That's where I'm going with peeps. Oh, turtle, see a turtle, peeps? I'm showing you turtle. Turtle at the bottom, so. That's a turtle. See him right there? Yeah. I don't know more than one, about 3 turtles there's a peeps there. Yeah, 3 turtle. But them a different breed turtle and it's very smaller. See? Oh, they eat the grass. Yeah, I didn't know that. They eat the grass. Oh. Yeah. Yes, you know, coexist with the iguana them. Iguana them there. These are not the extremely big ones. The one they're not extremely big one. Let's go closer. Let me go closer. The turtle might move now. Watch them now. You see? Watch him. What's the neighbor them are going with? Hello, neighbors. What a brother. What you mean? Go closer to him, please. Closer, closer. Yeah. I'm not changing skin. Close your eyes. I meditate. Let's see. And right over my head now. Right over my head. Close to him. See up me eye now. Look, watch him now. See up me eye, look. I know I'm alone. I could circle them and so long I'm going with. Not too close here. Yeah, circle them. See how much of them over there. Yeah, so these iguanas are green one. So them here is not the indigenous iguana. The iguana come from Cayman. The Cayman iguana is the blue iguana. They are the protected ones. Right now you only must find a blue iguana by the botanical park. The one here is the invasive species. I guess the one here come in a soil or something because Cayman import dirt. So I guess them all them here come here, get to reach here and then breed up. Yeah. Okay. Well, this is them favorite spot. And this rock. Yeah, this is their favorite spot. Yeah, and the junior, if you want to go straight in the coconut tree, yeah, be very careful. Yeah. As if the junior ever drop over there, so I know me I get it. Yeah. And on this island over here, you have two coconut trees. Some call it an island because there's a little piece of land over here. Let me turn around, you can see it. There's a piece of island over here by itself. Yeah, so two coconut trees over there. One, I'm very close to the other one. I know why I'm going so close to it. Yeah. So normally, when the rain fall and the water come up, when you see this island full of water, then I know say whole heap of water up on the land. Once this is covered, I know say water will come over here too. Yeah. So normally iguana them over in the end of the grass here, so but apparently none of them are there right now. Sometimes you normally find a bird over there that eat fish and thing. Over here today. He's not here today. Yeah. I'm sure it's coconut tree. He's going to the planet. None of the planet. Apparently none of the planet. Either. No. None of the planet. That one there. Search next one. Oh, one over the other one. Show name. Female. Yeah. So close me can go to him. Let me see. Yeah. Hey, neighbor, what's up? What you doing, man? What you doing, neighbor? him now. How are you doing, neighbor? These are they're not tips. Be careful. Gonna donate on a light. Donate it out on a tree. Trouble. Anyway, peeps. Stand on, peeps. That's the rice. And the rice cooker over here, so. Yeah, fish almost ready. Yeah, smell good. Crown thing. Yep, that is it. That is it, peeps. So, I'm gonna check my back. When I come back again, it's gonna be time to eat. Just stick and stay. I'm gonna wait. Yes, peeps. So, it's time to share now. As you can see, the fish is ready. So it's been a struggle in the kitchen this evening, peeps. As I add was to wait. Yeah, it's not our grunt. Huh?
They will ground.
The grunt. Oh. Okay, I give you grunts. Grunt it is. Here we have some rice. Rice in rice cooking.
Don't put a worry.
Yeah. You throw gravy on the rice or you don't throw gravy on the rice?
Little bit. That will do.
What you do? You put no gravy on the rice?
Little bit for the fish.
Okay. No, not put no gravy on the rice. So yes, peeps, it's my time to eat. Pepper? Sure? Okay. And some pepper, yeah. This peeps in time. See? Yeah. Well, Mr. Still, his size fish and really my size fish. I have bigger fish on it.
I have more meat. It made us like a fry.
Yeah. First beef, take some don't eat. Don't eat, I'll back at tonight. See, escapes, we don't eat, you know. And Miss Davis eat after dinner. So how was the dinner, Miss Davis?
It was good.
Very good?
Sorry, I couldn't have more. I don't eat a lot. Although I'm fat, I don't eat a lot.
Alright, man. So, New Year peeps, the dinner was good. So, that is it. So, we are prepared to go live. So until next video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One for all for love what I do and do what I love. Do it to the best of your ability. Like this is out.
Just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh, oh. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it. 'Cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like